The biggest mistake you can make while starting a business is creating a private limited company. And there are 3 reasons you should not start with the private limited. I will explain exactly why. Well, the first is the higher taxation. A lot of people would think, well, private limited pay just 25% tax on profits, whereas a partnership or an LLP pays 30%. But here comes the kicker. You know when you pay 25% tax in the private limited and then you want to distribute these profits into the hands of a shareholders. When the shareholders receive dividend, they have to pay tax on it again as per their slab rates, which means in total you end up paying 50% of the profit as a taxes in 2 accounts. If you want to withdraw money from the company to buy a personal asset like a house, whereas in the partnership or a LLP you pay 30% tax only once, and thereafter that the entire profit when the partners take away in their individual name, they have to pay no tax on it. The second big problem with the private limited is the lack of transparency. Anyone can go on a MCA website, pay just 100 rupees in a fee and download your entire PNL and your balance sheet. So your competitor, your relatives, your friends, everyone will know exactly how much you are making in your business and what is the skill. Not everyone is comfortable to do it. This does not happen in the case of partnership. However, here come the third point, which is higher compliance cost. Easily people who start private limited companies have to mandatory get it, audit and file forms with the MCA, which cost them additional 50,000 rupees compared to a LLP or another partnership firm, which means if you are just starting out, please start with the other kind of entities. Now where it is that a private limited is important. If you are starting off and you just want to test the water as a side hustle, do it as a proprietorship. If however you can't do the business in your personal name or for some reason and you have a co-founder, then go on the partnership or a LLP. Only one a private limited if you are absolutely certain you need external equity from the investor into the business. If you are starting off and you don't know whether you are need in investor funds, start off as in a partnership or a LLP and then convert to a private limited when you are certain you need external funding. A lot more in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.